credit crew and Making Sense of Making Money Online crew. What's going on? Hey, you know who I am. It's your guy, Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. For you guys, this is your first time with me. Hey, welcome. Um, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, smash the like button, um, make a comment if you like, and most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think that they can use it. Hey, real quick, this was a quick video. You guys know me. I always try to get right to the point without a lot of fanfare or whatever the case may be. But this is a new stimulus that they're trying to get passed. It's called the Emergency Money for the People Act. And this happened yesterday. And actually, I was going to drop it yesterday, and I got tied up. I had some other videos going on, but I wanted to give you this today. Man, I've been, you know what? First of all, before I begin, I want to say, man, thanks for all the love from you guys, man. You guys know I've been working hard for you, trying to keep you up to date what's going on with this COVID-19 coronavirus thing. And I appreciate all the comments and all the love and all the emails, man. That's been incredible. So I just wanted to say that. But look, this thing is a couple of representatives introduced it yesterday, Wednesday the 15th. Today's the 16th. To provide additional cash payment for Americans that were impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. The act would provide more than $2,000 monthly payment to every qualified American over the age of 16 until the employment returns pre-COVID-19 levels. So basically, a lot of younger kids came out, especially 17-year-olds said, hey, what about our money? And so a lot of those were shunned. So I think this has kind of helped that. Plus the stimulants, the first stimulant wasn't, the CARES Act money wasn't enough. It also corrects the problem in the CARES Act to make sure college students and adults with disabilities can receive payments, even if claimed as a dependent, which another thing that the CARES Act did. If you were a dependent, you couldn't get any money, which is ridiculous, right? It will also allow individuals to get money through direct deposit, check, prepaid debit card, which they should have had already, or mobile money platforms such as Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal. Okay, so scroll down here, guys. So monthly cash assistance payments would be guaranteed for at least 6 months and would continue until the employment or population ratio for people age 16 and older is above 60%. That's pretty good. The payments would not count as an income in order to protect eligibility for any other income-based state or federal assistance. Eligibility. Every American adult age 16 and older making less than $130,000 annually will receive the $2,000 a month. Married couples making less than $260,000 will receive at least $4,000 a month. Qualified families with children will receive additional $500 per child. Families will receive funds for up to 3 kids. So you're only going to get up, if you got 5, you're only going to get up to 3 kids. For example, married couple making under $260K with 3 kids will receive $5,500 a month. So you could receive as much as $5,500 a month. Those with no earnings were unemployed or currently unemployed would also be eligible. Those who are not eligible in 2019-18 would be eligible in 2020, could submit at least 2 consecutive months of paychecks to verify income eligibility. Emergency Money for the People Act also expands the program to millions more Americans who were excluded from the CARES cash rebate, such as college students and adults with disabilities who are still claimed as a dependent. The individual will receive the payment and their parent or guardian will receive the dependent credit. Okay. So that's kind of, it's a lot more on this, guys, but look, I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link down below for you. But look, these two congressmen that introduced it, you might want to know them, Ro Kahani from California and Tim Ryan of Ohio introduced this. But look, I mean, I think this probably got the chance of a snowball in hell of going through. as it is. That's just my 2 cents. You guys know I'm always going to give you my 2 cents because it's my YouTube channel, right? You know. But uh, so look, to say all of that is to say this. I think by the time this get to the Senate, somehow it's going to get adjusted, whatever. Definitely, I appreciate these guys for bringing that. Um, I hope it doesn't get killed like the moratorium on late payments did. If you watch one of my other videos, but hopefully that don't happen. And look, if you even get half of that or anything more, that's going to be a huge for the American public. So look, quick video. Just wanted to drop that. Check out if you haven't. I did a slew of coronavirus COVID-19 videos to help you with tips and tricks how to get through this thing. Uh, Stuff about deferred payments, that sort of thing. One thing too, I know a lot of it hasn't got much action, but the one video I did recently was about uh, child support. Look, if you guys have child support, sorry to say, more than likely you will probably not get that stimulus check, and your unemployment is going to probably be half. You want to check that video out if that pertains to you. But hey, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online, and also check out my making money online videos too, guys. And then you can always email if you got a question. So look, until next time, stay 6 feet away, wear your mask, be careful, and be safe. Peace, y'all.